This town is quiet when it's late, yeah. This town is quiet when the night is getting close. I'm outside, gonna stay. I'm outside until you tell me to stop. I'm being so dramatic.
Howdy.
What's up?
Hiya. Hey. Hi. Welcome to Wrapsesh. I'm your host, Vinyl Vixen, and this is my partner in crime, Slim Shetty. You know who we are. This week we're doing a custom car reveal. It is our Subzero Mopar.
Mm-hmm.
Mopar?
Mopar.
You guys know a little while ago, a few episodes back, we did a Subzero partial wrap design on this charger. So a while back we did a partial wrap design for our buddy Jerome on his charger. It was a Subzero theme from
Mortal Kombat.
Yes.
Mortal Kombat! Mortal Kombat!
Anyways, we wanted to do a little revamp this year for him, so we actually added this cool ice shard kind of stripe kit.
It was a stripe kit.
Things and stuff.
But it was probably the most
intricate stripe kit we've laid.
Yeah, I've never wrapped a stripe kit like this because it was like a stripe kit, but imagine shards of like ice going off.
Kind of symmetrical, kind of not.
So it was a printed stripe kit.
Yeah, really, really hard to do the front bumper area with that print cut design.
Yes, that bumper was hard.
We also added some little reflective Easter eggs in there, little cool accent on the hood. So just a way to upgrade on his continuous project for his car.
Wanted to add on to it, finish it up.
Finish it.
Finish him. Finish him. That's what we're doing.
Anyways, this was another design revamp from Glarv Designs. We printed on Avery 1105 EZRS using our Muto 1682 SR EcoSolvent printer. Check it out, we hope you enjoy.
Flawless victory.
Oh, I don't want to look. No, come on. I'm scared.
They got something to do. Come on. Hurry up, look.
Daddy.
Oh my! And he's up.
What?
Heck is this? What the heck?
Oh, and this is the nice little touch right here. See on my phone?
Yeah,
It's
this
just
is
that
reflective.
center part is the reflective.
Just the middle part is.
See that? Pretty neat.
Got it going over the top. That looks dope coming down the back.
What?
And it kind of comes to this ice on the back.
Yo!
Isn't that dope?
Yo! This you already know. It's our Yo!
I know, it's like a carrying a book.
Like a big book.
That is nuts! That is nuts.
Let me see.
That is
Yeah.
freaking nuts.
So she like pulled those characters from that game that you mentioned
Yeah,
and then
Metal
put
Gear.
your PlayStation
This is the
in there,
PlayStation.
but she made this a version of me and Mike.
That's
And then it's got that same game's font too.
Yep, Metal
and
Gear.
then it
And then
switches
this.
over to all the ice stuff. Whoa. See?
That was dodge, dip, dub, dive, and dodge.
That's.
But yeah, and then the back sides are all done too, so you can see how it's like
Oh yeah,
all,
I wrapped like the whole thing.
yeah,
Details.
the details.
Oh my god.
All in the details.
Oh my god.
You get a photo of him holding it.
The video.
Maybe actually, can we get it with the car?
Yeah,
back
yeah,
too?
of course.
What are we doing?
I am. Oh, was it? Oh, okay. What? Does it match? Does the console match the car? Does the car match? I don't know. You tell me. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll focus down. I'm sorry.
You good? Let me.
Yo, that's
Take a
crazy.
photo. So to finish our,
Flawless victory.
we actually did a really cool PS5 wrap design for Jerome as well. He wanted a theme from Metal Gear Solid, and he wanted the character Snake involved in there. So we used him and another character, but we gave her green hair, of course, because he wanted that Slim and Vixen kind of vibe.
Yeah.
And then we kind of made this cool rusty, icy looking design.
It was cool because one side was Metal Gear Solid and the other side was Subzero, and then they blended together.
Yeah, he kind of gave us free reign on it. We did that with our in-house designer, Caprice. Really fun design on Avery 2126 High Tack Films. And yeah, he just absolutely flipped. I love working with Jerome because he's always so hyped when he gets his car.
So
He's
much
like,
energy, I love
freaks
it.
out, and he's always filming for his YouTube channel as well. And he's so much fun. It makes it totally worth all the hard work that we put into it.
It's a good reaction.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this week's custom car reveal episode. If you want to keep up with us on our daily fun, you can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook and things at Wrapsesh AZ and Vinyl Vixen Wraps. Just a heads up, Instagram disabled our business page at the moment, so you can't find Wrapsesh AZ. We will definitely finish them. What's the thing they say?
What?
What do they say? We're pretty angry, but
Whatever they
we're
say.
gonna figure it out. if you guys want to go above and beyond with a custom vehicle wrap, reach out to us at wrapseshaz@gmail.com, and we will see you guys next week.
Whoa.